Hey, what's up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how to use ticket monitoring inside ProTickets. First, you can start from the events page, from your favorites, or even from today's pre-sale card on your dashboard. You simply look for an event, for example this one, and click on it. This will open the event modal. From there, you click on Ticket Monitoring and then click Start Monitoring. Next, you go to the Monitors page and look for the event. At first, you might not see any data yet, but it will start appearing shortly. As you can see, when you click Start Monitoring from the event modal, ProTickets automatically creates a low stock alert for that event. As you already know, we support 3 types of alerts: low stock, restock, and pricing alerts. If you want to change the existing alert or add additional alerts, you need to go back to the event page. So let's do that. We open the Chrome extension, and here you can see all the event data. Scroll down to the monitoring section, and you'll see the 3 alert types available. Let's say I want to update my low stock alert. I want to be notified when there are 100 tickets remaining. I enter the number and click Update. I can also turn the alert off here or delete it if I want. For now, I'll keep it active. Next, let's look at pricing. I can see that tickets are currently priced at $95. I want to add a pricing monitor for this section, and I want to be notified if the price drops below $50. So I add the pricing monitor. You can see it turns green, which means the monitor is active. If I turn it off, it becomes orange, or I'll turn it back on. Below, you can see all my monitors listed. In this example, I have 13 monitors active. You can add multiple alerts to the same event, and it still only counts as one monitored event. Now let's go back to the app. Here you can see all your monitors. When a condition is met, you'll instantly receive a notification, and your Discord notification will look like this. You'll see alerts like Low Stock Alert, along with all the relevant event information. I highly recommend enabling notifications on Discord. You should also join the ProTickets Discord to receive alerts instantly. To get your own private monitoring channel, go to the app settings, then Tools, and open Discord notifications. You'll need to link your Discord account by clicking the authorization button. Once that's done, ProTickets will automatically create a private channel just for your alerts. If you go back to the Monitors page, you can also update alerts you've already created. You can update them, turn them off, or delete them. Be careful here. If you delete an alert from the monitor list, it only removes that specific alert. But if you delete the monitor from the event card, it will delete all alerts for that event. So make sure you don't remove everything if you only want to delete one alert. That's it for ticket monitoring. I really recommend using this feature because not all events sell out immediately. Some events sell slowly over time, and monitoring allows you to spot the right moment to buy and make profit before the event. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.